Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Poco X5. To do this, you'll need to open Google Play Store. Inside, find app called Google Classroom. Select this one and hit the install. When it's ready, you should be able to open it. Click on Get Started, choose the account for your classroom. Then click on the plus button, join a class, enter the class code in the pool right here, and when you're ready, you should be able to join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.